Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.2, Question number 4. If the volume of cube of side length x is v equal to x cube, find the rate of change of volume with equal to x with respect to x when x equal to 5 units. Here, the given volume v equal x cube. We have to differentiate with respect to x. We get dv by dx equal 3x square. Now when x equal to 5, then dv by dx equal 3 into x is 5, substitute x equal to 5, that is 5 square is 25 into 3 is 75. Therefore you can say change of, we have to find the rate of change of volume, rate of change of volume with respect to x, volume when x equal to 5, that is we can write this way, dv by dx at x equal to 5 equal 75 units. Fifth question, if the mass m of x in kilogram of a thin rod of a length x in meter is given by m of x equal to root 3 x, then what is the rate of change of mass with respect to the length when x equal to 3 and x equal to 27 meters? Here given m of x, mass is the function of x, equal root 3x. Now that is differentiating with respect to x, that is dm by dx equal root 3 x power, you can write this one is root 3 x power 1 by 2 is x half into x power half minus 1 is minus half, which is equal root 3 by 2 x power half. Further you can write root 3 by 2 root x. When x equal to 3, then dm by dx equal, substitute x equal to 3 here, x equal to 3 in these conditions, that is root 3 by 2 into x is root 3, which is equal 1 over 2. This root 3 and root 3 cut, it is 1 over 2. So kg per meter, change of mass with respect to length. Now when x equal to 27, then we can say dm by dx equal same root 3 by 2 square root of 27, that is equal root 3 by 2 square root of 27 is 3 root 3. Then it gets equal 1 by 6 kg per meter. Then question number 6. A stone is dropped into a pond causing a ripples in the form of concentric circles. The radius r of the outer ripple is increasing at a constant rate of 2 centimeter per second. When the radius is 5 centimeter, find the rate of change of the total area of the disturbed water. Here R is the radius of the ripples, A is the area. Here R equal radius of ripples, that is the circles, and A equal area of the ripple, circle area of ripple. Now given change of radius with respect to time t equal to 2 centimeter per second is given. Now and r equal to 5. When we know that area of the circle equal pi r squared, therefore area A equal pi r square. Now differentiating with respect to r, we get dA by dr equal 2 pi r, because r squared comes to r. Now differentiating with respect to t, with respect to time, we will do, which is equal dA by dt equal, it is in terms of r, so we have to differentiate first 2 pi r, but we have to find dA by dt, that is why we have to differentiate r with respect to time, that is dr by dt. Now therefore dA by dt equal pi, that is 2 pi r, 2 pi r is 5. At 5 we have to find that our aim is to find when the radius is 5 centimeter, find the rate of change of total area. So at radius is 5 and dr by dt, already the increasing speed, radius is increased with respect to time in terms of n2 meter per second. So we have dA by dt equal to into 5 is 10, 10 into 5 is 20 pi square centimeter per second. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.